Hello everyone, my name is Charmin Cordero. So first, I just want to say I'm so thankful and grateful for everything. It's just only an expression of gratitude, but this is what I learned from Coach June. No? So you don't need million of monies in the bank or in your hands just to feel abundant. So by saying it, I'm so thankful and grateful. Tinuturuan ka ni Coach June. So I just want to share my life before NLP program with Coach June. So to make the long story short, isa po akong woman, a junior officer, and nag-pick up ako ng job ko last year, 2024. And ang nanay ko was an OFW at nag-early retirement na rin. So nagsama kami ng nanay ko sa isang bahay. So may mga times na meron kami conversation na after conversation, from that moment, magka-clash na kami. Andun na may mga arguments na hindi na kami magkakaintindihan. So andun yung triggers ko. Andun yung hate, andun yung sense of abandonment from my mother. So, umalis ako. Nag-boarding house ako. It's about more than a year din also. Doon nag-start ang healing ko. I joined the first program and second program ng Coach June, which is nag-deep dive kami sa Power to Change. So, isang tool niya na nakatulong sa akin is timeline therapy. At doon ko naintindihan ang sarili ko at ang nanay ko. Andun yung hatred, andun yung anger, andun yung sense of abandonment of a 5-year-old Charmin, of a 6-year-old Charmin. Yes, kasi nga OFW ang nanay ko. Hindi namin naranasan yung affection galing sa nanay ko. So, naintindihan ko rin na hindi may paramdam ng nanay ko doon dahil hindi niya rin yun naramdaman or na-experience sa magulang niya. So, instead pala na magtanim ako ng galit, instead pala na magagalit ako sa nanay ko, it turned into compassion at maawa ka pa. So from there, I forgive myself and I forgive my mother. So, itong fourth seminar po with Coach June, and it's all about others naman. So this time, I'm able to share with other people. So ito, yung naranasan ko, yung na-experience ko personally, is na-experience pala ng mga kasama ko. Hindi lang taga Iloilo, kundi taga Manila, ibang lugar. I started my healing at age of 26, but now, yung nakakausap ko is age 50s, 40s. At yun din yung na-experience nila. So, I could say na this program, this seminar, is a safe space heaven. You can be who you are. Yung mga taong nakakonect mo, okay? It's either yung mga taong reflection mo, yung taong makakatulong sa'yo, or ikaw ang makakatulong sa kanila. So, Coach June, I'm so thankful and grateful to God for your life, for your service to others. Hopefully, marami ka pang matutulungan. Okay. Thank you.